What's up, guys? I'm gonna be putting this light on the car, but first I gotta get the bumper off. But everything's here, it's just gotta be hooked up. So yeah, I just got the plug right here. And it's gonna go right there. So I gotta take off the bumper and put this light on. Okay, I got the bumper off, but like it was hard because it's hard to run it on a low car. I'm gonna take off this light and put on the new one, and then put back the bumper. And I probably should get a new horn because the horn is weak. So I probably should get an oil too. So yeah. Okay, well you probably can't see anything, but I got the light out, so now I just need to put the new one in. And put the bumper back on, and be Gucci. There you go. Yeah. Okay, now I just have to transfer the stuff out of the old one into the new one, and then put the new one on. So, yeah. Okay, I got the lights in. I just now need to get the bumper in. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then probably should be tomorrow morning. So yeah.
Well, the stuff goes. Huh?
There's my dog Daisy. And then we got the bumper on, and I gotta go to school.
Yeah, I think that this
yeah.